over and leave this.
You know, Skelly.
Yo, what's
Scully?
good, you guys?
Yo, you're talking over here. For real, for real.
Have a conversation, not welcome for you either. Please walk off.
Damn, that was crazy.
Walk off. But I actually want that off right now.
I'll fly.
Walk off.
How about that?
Oh, this guy's annoying.
Wee. Yippee. I'm just looking
yeah,
for Jimmy's
spilled that.
mom.
I can't.
I'm just looking for Jimmy's mom. Wee.
Put his name in chat.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah,
gonna
put
say
his name in chat real quick. Capital S, capital G. You got it.
Oh my god. Wait, that fuck. Oh my god. Hey, that's my clan member.
What's up?
Can you kick this
They
kid,
want to
please?
kick me for some reason.
Because you're being annoying and intervening in a conversation
I'll leave
you
if
shouldn't
you
be a part of.
want. I'll leave if you want.
No, I'm
I'll
not
leave.
spooky.
Yeah, see, he knows me.
Yeah, I know
That's my
him.
boy.
He's not a kid.
You
He's
told
just-
me to go
he's just
there for a
Carl.
second. It's like a
Yeah,
brand
I'm
new
Carl
dog.
Weezer.
Come here, Spooky. Come here.
Okay,
Come
bet. All right.
here. Talk to Angel right here.
Is this
Tell
Angel?
the
Which
Angel
one's
right here.
Angel?
Yeah, that's Angel. Right
This
here,
one?
the one with the scythe.
Yo, what's
Yeah.
good?
You two will get along. You
You
two will
What?
get
seen,
along. All right, I'll be
you
back.
seen Jimmy's mom?
Yeah, you. He's in your care, Angel. I trust you. Goodbye.
Who's this
Well,
nigger?
No, see you later. That's Spooky.
Who's this
Hold
fucking
on,
nigger?
crazy. Oh my
You're a
god.
nigger. You smell like a nigger. You built like a nigger. You
But
talk like
you-
a nigger.
God, now I gotta
Nigger.
censor the video, bro. I
Nigger.
gotta
Nigger.
censor
Nigger.
the video. I gotta-
Nigger.
I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna censor the video. That's art what you're doing. I just want you to know that.
Skibidi toilet. Skibidi toilet.
Yeah, you see those guys over there, Corpse and whatever his name is?
Yeah.
I pissed him off
Yeah.
so bad when I got here. It was awesome.
Oh my god, my balls just blew up.
What? Sorry, what now?
Yeah, there's that guy named Corpse or whatever. He was talking to his boyfriend, and he's like, "You gotta leave, Carl Weezer. I'm not playing." He was trying to act all
Spooky guy,
tough
I
and
want
shit.
you on my bed right now.
You were, oh fuck, that's
Is this
crazy.
dude,
Yes. I'm a fucking
Is this
dominate you
profile
ass.
picture that it looks like a half demon, half human?
Yeah, probably. Let me see. I pissed him off really bad though. Yeah, that dude. He got so heated. It was funny, but it's gonna go on my YouTube
He's
though, so
added
it's
to
worth
me,
it.
by the way.
He's what?
Skibidi toilet.
He's
Skibidi
added to
toilet.
me.
Oh damn.
If you were if you
Hmm.
I love
The
skibidi. I
only
love
reason I
skibidi.
don't say who I'm added to or not, but I just like doing it.